Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use single take on the Samsung camera on the Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the camera app. Next, in the quick mode bar, you want to swipe across and select single take. If it is not in here, you want to tap on more, and it will be available in this list, and you can tap on single take. Once you have tapped on single take, you can tap on the shutter button to start capturing images and video. Now it will start to count down. You can try out a different angle, allow the subject to move in a different variety of ways, and move your camera around. And that is how you can take or use a single take on your Samsung camera. Now, if I open up the image right there, you can see in this clip there will be a number of different images and videos. This will automatically generate it based on how much pictures or how much details there is in the photos or in the videos. Now this is a feature that allows users to capture a variety of photos and videos with a single tap of the shutter button. It's designed to help user capture a moment in multiple creative ways, providing a collection of different shots and formats using a single recording. And from here you can choose what to keep or what to delete. So here I can delete it, tap on delete, and this will allow me to delete. Now I say also move the rest of the single take set, so you can choose to delete everything and then tap on move to recycle bin, and this will remove videos as well as pictures to the recycle bin. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.